Good morning, boomers. Welcome back. Welcome back to a new hype, good video quality content on YouTube, and it's back. I'm Vectorzoid. Welcome back to another video. Anyways, last video you guys asked me, you guys told me that my video is bad. It's bad. Alright. So my video is bad. You don't understand anything at all, and by the comment section I realize you guys are dumb. No, I'm joking. Anyways, today we're gonna prove that 1 is equals to 2 using math. I'm joking. Math.
2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1, that's 3
1 equals 2. But by the way, 1 does not equals to 2. That's impossible, by the way. Well, not in our universe. 1 is not equals to 2, alright? Or is it? Anyways, it is an axiom. We know that 1 is not equals to 2, but let's see how this goes. And by the way, it's a mistake that I do. If you guys can spot the mistake, and I'll show you guys why that 1 is equals to 2 in this situation, and why it is actually wrong. But anyways, I'll show you guys how the proof goes. Alright, so let's have a number. Well, let's say a variable equals to another variable. A equals b, psi equals to Planck's constant. Let's write this neater. Alright, psi equals to h bar, and therefore psi squared equals to what? Well, we know that anything squared means that it's times by itself, so therefore it is that times that. Easy. So I'm just gonna write this on another color so you guys can see. Let's do pink. Psi squared equals psi times h bar because of that. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, I'm not swearing. Alright, so therefore psi squared equals to h bar. Psi squared minus h bar squared is equals to psi times h bar minus h bar squared. Correct? Nice. Now, if we use binomial expansion, alright, expansion. If we use binomial expansion, we can derive this to be that. Alright, I'm just gonna use pink. Alright, I'm gonna use pink. Pink is my color. Alright, so if we use that, we'll get that. And we can factorize that h bar out of the equation. So you see that h bar right here? Yeah, we can factorize it out of the equation, and we get that. Nice. How can we simplify this a little bit more? Now, we can then divide it by that. And by the way, if you divide something by something on an equation, you have to also do the thingy on the other side. So you have to, if you divide this side by that, then you have to divide the same thing by on this side. So anyways, you have to do that. So we can realize that this crossed out and this crossed out, and now we derived our equation. Psi plus Planck's constant equals Planck's constant. And because psi equals Planck's constant, h bar, I'm used to physics stuff. Anyways, h bar equals psi, so we can substitute this into that. Right there. Alright, I'm just gonna write that arrow. That arrow looks shitty. So that into that, and we get. Let's use pink real quick. And we get Planck's constant plus h bar equals to h bar. H bar plus h bar equals to h bar. How's that possible? Anyways, let's simplify this a little bit more. and we get, alright, I'm just gonna, and then divide that by h bar, and cross it out, and then we get 2 equals to 1. How is that possible? How? Because look, we divide that, and then we divide that, so something a over a equals to 1. So 2 equals to 1. Right here. So how do we get 2 equals to 1? Alright, by the way, how is that possible? We did everything right, and we got 2 equals to 1. Some really random stuff. So does that mean math is incorrect? Well, actually no. When we did, alright, I'm just gonna do that real quick. I've accidentally deleted the whole thing. So it's actually in this part that we make the mistake. It's actually in this part that we make the mistake. Well, the thing is, when you have a variable and then minus itself, it equals to 0, right? So a minus a equals 0. But that also means that you can't divide itself by thingy, because look, that equals to 0 and that equals to 0. 0 divided by 0 equals to undefined. You can't define it. Undefined. Because it's not definable. Oh, well, it is not definable, but not because people are too lazy. It's just not definable. Alright, anything divided by 0 is not definable. I'll show you guys why next time. There's a lot of videos on YouTube talk about that, but I'll probably cover one video about this next time. Anyways, so yeah, so when you divide that by that, and cross it out, it becomes undefined. This equation does not have a meaning anymore. So you can just mess with it however you like, and it does not mean anything. So in this case, because you divide it by that, therefore this equation can be whatever you want it to be. Alright, so therefore that's how it works.